Okay, the train is here now. Over there's that fallen tree. They actually had to cut a bunch of trees out of the way just to be able to break the train up. Get around the bush, I catch them going around the curve here. Well, I'm here in Mountain Hope below my house. Somebody commented about me not saying the place, that's why I'm not in the videos. I'm going to try to do a better job at actually saying the location. That one video is in Deepwater, where I stood on the bridge, filmed the train coming underneath. Of course, I filmed that a couple of weeks ago, and just now got it uploaded. I like this trail. It follows like next to the active rail line. I can do walking tours of the train. Okay, the brush is too thick here. won't be getting him in a tunnel this time. I just been out walking and enjoying the morning. Hey, something I'm going to point out in my video here. These ghost cars are made all the way down the southern Railfans territory. I just seen one of his recent videos last night. And apparently there's a few, some of the cars have this ghost paint on them down there too. I see at least one tubby down there. I'm watching this video, I'm like, that is a tubby car. But only one tubby car down there. Everything else is just a ghost. Yeah. I'm gonna walk over here. I'm gonna see if I can get to the railroad crossing before the last car of the train passes me. There's a tubby right there. Yeah. I made it all the way to the Stone Drive Rail crossing from Main Street, and the last car of the train still hasn't passed me. What's going on there? Yard sale thing. Okay, that was a really long train. Trying not to get in the truck in the video, but that was unavoidable. Yeah, he's crossing the railroad crossing in front of me here. I'm wondering out of sheer curiosity on my way here, I might as well walk over. Okay, I'm not sure if the engines is hitting the railroad crossing at Georgia Pacific or on the other side of the trestle, but the rjcor is on one side of the train's hitting one of the crossings. It's probably Georgia Pacific crossing, that's like 2 miles away, which means the train's at least 2 miles long. Good.